So we begin with the fact that we exist in a white supremacist, patriarchal, heteronormative capitalist system. Karl Marx, one of the most profound thinkers in the history of Western philosophy. So it is fitting that a white supremacist of old with white supremacists of today exist and sit there smiling in the White House. Abolition. What does abolition mean? Abolition means we must destroy it, not reform it. No vote is going to help. No writing your congressperson. We need to smash white supremacy. Thomas Jefferson, all men are created equal, yet I hold 200 slaves and I've raped many of them. And that's the beauty of the law. If you can write it, you can convince all others to follow it, just like all of us do today, when we shouldn't. Many of the laws existing, we should be violating those laws. We're taught to get up and pledge allegiance to the flag every single day, a flag that's not really representative of everybody who's standing up in that room. Right? Maybe that's the way it should be taught. All those who this flag represents stand up, and maybe 50% of this room, you stay sitting down because this is not for you. We do it through the Constitution, which should be called a white man's Constitution. And we still get up before every ball game, and we're supposed to, these folks here are supposed to respect that flag. When Colin Kaepernick stands up and literally takes a knee, but stands up for justice, for what is right, what happens to him? He's vilified. And we try to use legal means, but are legal means enough?
In fact, we'll have to, when we do abolish this white democracy, that it will have to be in conflict, that it would have to be something where we'd have to bear arms, where we'd have to go against and do what is illegal.
Well, what is illegal in the eyes of the